Let's get our math journal ready. Get your problem of the day and glue it on top of your journal. Great job. So we're going to start with R, and we're going to make sure we read to understand. Kylie counted 14 seeds in her watermelon. She accidentally ate some. Now she only sees 4 seeds. How many did she eat? Let's see. It's telling me she had 14 seeds when she got her watermelon. But now there's only 4. It's wanting to know how many she ate. That's our unknown. So I could draw the seeds in 5 groups to solve my problem. Then I need to write a number sentence that shows how I got my answer. And then I'm going to write my answer. How many seeds did she eat? She ate blank seeds. Now, when you make your math journal, I'm really curious. If some of you used mental math, that means in your head you already knew the answer like that at flash speed. So if you did that, I want to know how you got the answer. What made you think of that? But as I tell my friends all the time, if you use mental math, you still have to do a math drawing to prove that it's correct.